Institute of Lifelong Learning at University of Delhi has brought this 4-credit course on the biodiversity. In this course, we will discuss about various forms of biodiversity and their relevance to human society. This course will include all those forms of biodiversity which are different from normally considered plant forms like groups of viruses, bacteria, fungi, and algae. This will also include groups of plants called as bryophytes, pteridophytes, and gymnosperms which do not produce flowers. Each group will be discussed with the help of selected few representative organisms as examples of the group. The interaction will take place with respect to appearance, structure, and reproduction in all these organisms so that learners may compare the organisms within a group or outside a group to find similarities and dissimilarities in organisms. The learners will understand through discussion that these similarities and dissimilarities are the keys which help in the identification of different groups. The learners will also study the importance of different groups of organisms in day-to-day life of human beings so that they may be motivated for the protection and conservation of this biodiversity as well as to look for other potential applications of these organisms. This course is open to all. However, it has been designed especially for those biology students who are pursuing any undergraduate degree course with botany as one of the subjects. The course is based on UGC model syllabus of paper biodiversity, microbes, fungi, algae and archegoniati under botany curriculum. This paper is taught as core paper or generic elective paper under CBCS and LOCF pattern of university education system in India. The duration of this course is of 15 weeks and it will be completed in 40 modules. The modules will contain video lectures, study material in the form of e-content, references for further study, interactive sessions, and self-assessment material to make teaching learning process informative, interesting, understandable, and target oriented. In order to make learning process easy to understand for learners, simple to complex approach will be used. In this approach, the living forms which are considered simple will be discussed first and then complex ones. Further, all the organisms sharing common features will be discussed together as a group so that learners may compare them easily and remember their unifying features as the recognizing features of the group. The last part of the discussion for each group of the organisms will focus on its economic importance. The importance of the group will be understood with the help of suitable examples. In addition to video lectures, learners will also get study material for different topics in the form of e-content and other references for further studies to inculcate critical thinking in them. Time to time, interactive sessions will be conducted to address course-related problems and to clear doubts amongst learners. Learners will also get opportunity to self-assess their progress through test assignments which will be in the form of quizzes, MCQs and other related forms. The marks scored in all such assignments will be included in the internal assessment. At the end of the course, learner will appear for an external proctored examination that will be pen and paper based. The assignment of a learner shall be done on the basis of his or her performance in internal assessment and external proctored examination. The internal assessment will carry 25% of weightage and external proctored examination will be of 75% weightage. The final score of the assessment will be calculated by adding marks obtained in internal assessment and external proctored examination. On successful completion of the course, learner will get a certificate and 4 credits. After this course, learners will be able to identify various forms of plant diversity and their importance in our life. If you wish to explore this world, then you are invited to join this course.